This is how we eat cherries. Get the juice out. We're done.
No more.
That's how Matthew eats his cherry.
You still eat it? Okay. Oh, it's no good anymore.